Hi, this is Topper Chef, and I'm really happy to bring this video back again to y'all. Now, if you've seen my videos, I've done a green chutney before, so we're going to use the same type of green chutney to make Thai style of chicken wings. Okay, so when you go to a chicken wing place, you get this thing with a Thai kind of drizzle sauce on top of it. But this is my recipe for Thai chicken wings. Okay, so for my Thai chicken wings, these are the 9 to 10 chicken wings that I've taken. I'm going to use the green paste, which I get it always, so this will make it faster. And so this is the paste which I put. Then we have our turmeric powder, our curry powder, our salt, and to this I'm going to add because it has cilantro, ginger, garlic in this green chutney, so not too much of it. Mix this up real good. Now I'm going to add a little of coconut milk in this. There you go. And like I said, always marinades don't have to be very thin and runny, because then it doesn't coat the meat properly. So it has to be, this got a little runny, but it'll be okay. So now we got it all mixed together. And now I'm gonna put it all in this. And you'll see this will turn out really good. We're gonna add, when we finish this thing, we're gonna add a little honey on this so that it will taste spicy and also sweet. I'm gonna mix this up good. Okay, so Topper Chef back again, and you're looking at our beautiful smelling chicken wings, and this has been marinated. This is the Thai chicken wings, which we marinate with coconut and the green curry paste, and oh my god, it's just amazing. So now I'm just got this out from the fridge, get it to room temperature. But before that, I'm gonna just put some, you can see all the spices on it. And for this, remember, coconut oil will go really well with it. Little coconut oil, drizzle it well, and then mix it well. So why do we add oil? The oil creates a sheen outside and attracts the flame also, and then doesn't let it burn also too much. So there is some way, I think I might need more oil on this. There you go. So about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Oh, it smells heavenly. It's really good smelling because of the coconut milk and everything on this, and the green chutney. So don't lose any of it, because that flavor will go right to the chicken wings. Let it stay there. Every lick of it on my bones on the chicken wings. There you go. Let it sit for some time, and then we are going to skewer them and put them on the grill. Okay, this is Topper Chef again. Now our chicken wings has been at room temperature for half an hour, and I'm going to skewer this. Now my grill is only about 1 feet, which is 12 inches. So I want to keep this thing. I want to keep this here only about 4 or 5, 3 wings probably on this skewer. Okay, so now we're gonna skewer this like this. There you go, see? This, I love this recipe for this is because, believe me, whenever people come to my house and they taste these wings, they love it because when you go to the store and you eat wings, it's just, I mean, so small and just tossed in, you know, some sauce at the end of it. But this is right from, and it'll be smoked so well. That's 4. I got exactly 9 wings, so I'll have to put 5 and 4. Better be careful so you don't skewer yourself. Okay, so now look at the coal. This is how it's supposed to look. It's nice and red inside and ashen on top. This is good for smoking. You see what I'm saying? Now the temperature is pretty good here. I know it's about 200 degrees, and this is what it's supposed to do for it to smoke. Oh wow, it's hot. Okay, so let it sit down here. See what I'm talking about? Really having the grill set. Now outside it doesn't show, but once it goes on the grill, you can see how, look at this. It's really hot. It's really hot. So you got to be very careful when you're grilling. There you go. And that's how it should look. Wow, look at our Thai wings. They smell heavenly. And this is our recipe. Now you can have it with rice or just eat it with some beer. But do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also go to Facebook and like and share, and also on Pinterest, all my recipes there. topperchef.com. I can bring more recipes to you if y'all all subscribe. This is very easy food, and I'm trying to make it different for anybody else. So here we are. That's one. Wow, amazing.